Today I'm going to show you how 1 spoon of this can feed a whole plant and help even a stunted one slowly come back to life. This is a simple, soil-friendly method you can use under almost any plant. First, take 1 spoon of cinnamon and sprinkle it directly onto the soil near the roots. Cinnamon works as a natural antifungal, helping protect roots from rot and harmful soil microbes. It also discourages tiny soil pests that weaken struggling plants. Gently mix it into the top layer of soil. Don't dig deep. Just blend it lightly so the soil stays airy and alive. Next, prepare a gentle feeding drink. Take 1 small cup of milk and mix it into 1 liter of water. Milk provides calcium, which supports stronger root development and helps plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. It also feeds beneficial microorganisms that improve overall soil health. Now slowly pour this mixture around the base of the plant. Let it soak in evenly, allowing the roots to drink at their own pace. Avoid overwatering. Steady moisture is what brings results. In the next few days, observe your plant closely. Leaves may feel firmer, color can improve, and new growth often starts quietly beneath the soil. Use this method occasionally, not daily, and always listen to how your plant responds. Simple steps, gentle feeding, and nature does the rest.